Today I am making Gujiya, but not the khoya one. This one has a rich, sweet dal filling. I start by adding soaked chana dal to a pressure cooker. Add enough water to cover it properly. Cook it till it's nice and soft puree. In another bowl, I've added 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Add half a teaspoon of salt and give a mix. To this, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of ghee. Rub the ghee nicely into the flour. Rub until it turns crumbly. This is what makes the Gujiya crispy and flaky. Rub the flour until it starts to hold its shape. Now slowly add little water at a time and knead into a tight, firm dough. Not soft, not loose. Firm dough gives structure. Once your dough is ready, cover it and let it rest. Now let's prepare the filling. And here is where most people make a mistake. In a pan, add 1 teaspoon ghee. To this, add a pinch of turmeric. This gives a beautiful warm color. Now add the dal puree. To this, now I'm adding 200 grams of grated jaggery. You could adjust according to your taste and preference. Mix well. Do not worry, you will feel the mixture is too runny. It will start to thicken. I've added 1 pinch of salt to bring everything together. Keep stirring and cook on high heat. Now I've added 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Cook on high heat, the mixture will start to thicken. Scrape the sides. To this I've added chopped raisins and mixed chopped nuts. This is totally optional. Cook until the mixture becomes nice and dry. The mixture will start to leave the pan. We will not stop here, we need a dry mixture. Switch off the flame now and let it cool completely. By the way, let me know in the comments, do you prefer the khoya Gujiya or this Holi you will try my version? Please let me know. Now take a small portion of the rested dough and make small balls. Roll into even thickness round circles. Place the filling in the center. Do not overfill. Apply little water on the edges. Fold and seal properly. Press gently to secure. Make sure the edges are sealed well, because in a few moments you will see how beautiful crispy they turn. Prepare all the Gujiyas like this. If you find it difficult to fold it this way, I'll show you an easy way with a fork. With the help of the fork, press and seal the edges, and with the back, form this beautiful design. Heat oil on low flame. Add a small dough to the oil. When it starts to bubble, add the gujiya gently. This part is very important. If the oil is too hot, they will turn brown quickly but remain undercooked inside. Fry slowly on low heat. Flip occasionally for even browning. You'll see them turning golden and crispy gradually. Patience gives the best texture. And now for the moment of truth. Let's break one open. Look at that. Crispy golden outside and rich, sweet, nutty inside. Perfect festive fusion for Holi. Please do like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching.